Hello guys, this is my first video and I will be talking about what will we do on this channel. So first of all, what games will we be playing? We'll be playing GTA 5, Roblox and much more. For the times that I will be posting, I'll try to post like once a day or twice in the span of 2 days. Mm, So, can you give me some suggestions about like how loud should my microphone be? How should I like talk? Should I talk like this, louder, quieter, mm, and like game suggestions? I am completely open to every suggestion you give me. So if this all sounds good to you and fun, please subscribe. And well, you can subscribe. I won't every time I won't say please or none of that. Uh, just if you like this idea, so you can subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.